IT in general is a sort of a passion of mine since my youth. While other kids were playing football or something in the streets, I was coding. My role is to make it modern, make it coherent. That's a challenge. I like to adapt to the situation and mainly to the person I'm talking to, because each one of us is very different and very different from morning to the afternoon. We are complex beings. You have to learn a lot of things to do just one thing: think for you. Don't let the other people's opinions think for you.